Start your journey to radiant skin today with Collagen Select, your new daily ritual. Collagen Select is your secret weapon for youthful, glowing skin. Experience 3 key benefits. It enhances collagen production, boosts skin elasticity, and improves hydration for a healthier look. Simply mix Collagen Select into your favorite drink, and enjoy a delicious tropical flavor while nourishing your skin from within. You can use it daily with smoothies, juices, or even water. The choice is yours. Countless women are raving about their results. One user reported a significant reduction in wrinkles after just 2 months. Clinical studies show a 65% boost in collagen production and a stunning 32% decrease in wrinkles around the eyes. Remember, achieving firmer and more radiant skin is possible with Collagen Select. Don't wait, try Collagen Select risk-free today and unveil your natural glow.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.